How to use two monitors. Let's go. Let's plug the HDMI cables on each HDMI ports to the monitors. Most people either put a monitor to the left or right of their original monitor. While others prefers to put a monitor above their original monitor. Once you have your setup right-click your desktop and click Display Settings. It will bring you to this screen where it's show you how many monitors you have and how they're aligned. If you click Identify, it's going to show you which screen is which. Once you know, click and drag. Move the screens to align them however they're set up. Once they're aligned how you want them, go down and hit Apply. Now you can seamlessly use two monitors.